I'm going to show you the correct way to put front disc brake pads on a 2007 Infiniti FX35. I'm not sure if all the Infiniti FX35s have this or not, but this is a 2007. On the brake hardware, you can see this pointy thing on the top. Okay, that should go on the top. The bottom just has a flat hardware for your brake pad to slip into. I want to show this because I haven't seen a video of anyone discussing this. What you want to do is you want to take your brake pad with your brake pad wear indicator on the top. How I do it is I slip that spring thingy, with a lack of anything better to call it, and then you just push it in there like that, then line the bottom of the pad up, slip it in. It's a little hard to do with one hand, so I'm making sure that goes, just to show this clearly, that goes inside of this, of your brake pad wear indicator. And then you put it in the slot, take the bottom. Okay, so it's all but impossible to do with one hand. Ha, got it. Okay. So what this does is it puts tension on your brake pad. You can see it comes out on its own. See that? That's the correct way to put these on. You don't just leave that thing hanging off to the side. It actually goes inside the wear indicator and puts tension on your brake pad. Why, I don't know. Maybe someone can chime in and explain why they don't want the pads touching all the time, but that's how that goes on there. Hope this video was helpful. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's on every Infiniti FX35, or maybe it's just my year. But I haven't found a video that shows that. I haven't found a video that shows it up close in detail. It works as a spring. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.